Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust sound and equalizer on SONY KD-43X TV. First, open the TV settings by pressing the wrench icon on your remote control. Find and open sound settings, and on this sidebar you can select different sound settings to change. You can customize your sound, you can adjust the volume level, you can enable or disable advanced audio volume, and you can also change balance between the left and right speakers of your TV. You can select the TV's position for better sound distribution. You can start the Acoustic Auto Calibration right here, and you can also reset all settings to factory default. And if you want to access the equalizer, you have to go to sound customization menu and select the equalizer option. Here you can change the sound level for all the different frequencies by moving the according sliders either to the top or to the bottom. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.